Hey guys, I hope you're all doing good. So as I've analyzed previously, so we are currently looking at gold. So as you can see here, I was still explaining, I was trying to explain what was going on, but I couldn't I couldn't record. I don't know what's wrong with my trading view, but it's fine. So yes, I've said last week, um, so we currently on this this pullback. So I had to break down this pullback before it happened. You can go watch my video when I broke down that pullback. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. I'm still new, but I hope my information helps you a lot. Yes, so let me just go ahead and show you what I'm expecting as from tomorrow. So as you can see, the market pushed up from this pullback. We have a nice W formation. I'm just gonna go ahead and draw it. So we have a nice W formation that was formed. Then the market pushed, the price pushed up, then came back to retest the broken structure, then pushed up again. So this is what happened. So in my picture right now, the price is back to the neckline. So as you can see, you can say it's a neckline, or you can say it's a resistance level, since this side is our support. So we have a resistance level, then same thing applies here, resistance level. So as you can see, it's back at the resistance, at our resistance level. Remind you guys, this is weekly time frame. So let me just go ahead and write that weekly weekly time frame. So this is a weekly time frame, guys. So with this time frame, we normally analyze, or just we normally switch onto this time frame just to get a little bit of more info to say where are we and where we might go to, where the price is at, then and where the price might go to next. So 1 minute time frame, not 1 minute, sorry, H1 time frame, 4 hour time frame, those time frames are for entries. I also use H4 when I'm looking for entries. So with this time frame, it's just to analyze and see where are we, what might happen, what are the things that we might also expect during the week when the market is moving. What else? I also use Forex Factory to check news events, because sometimes news events can go against your setup, or they might change the way you are viewing things. So also check Forex Factory for news events that might happen, so that you avoid risking your capital trading during news events. Sometimes they do go along with your setups and stuff, but I wouldn't recommend trading news events that much, because most of the times they go against you. So let's carry on. So as you can see here, this is our support, resistance, weekly time frame. What else? We have weekly here in a weekly time frame. So what I'm expecting here, guys, since we are here at the resistance level, I'm expecting for the price to push back. I'll tell you why. It will make more sense for the price to push back. The reason why I'm saying so, if you look at this movement, the whole movement, we formed head and shoulders. These are head and shoulders, of which I think that market moves with Head and Shoulders on bigger time frames. So sorry about that. So what I'm expecting right now is for the price to push back to create another shoulder, or what you call a right shoulder, then push up again. So we don't need any retest that might okay and stuff. So yeah, so I'm expecting something like this. This is what I'm expecting, guys. We don't, mind you, we don't need another retest. It might retest, but we don't need another retest here on weekly time frame. So I would normally like wait for for pullbacks, but for the structure to be retested, sorry. But the reason why I'm saying we don't need another retest, there are some patterns like this, guys. So you keep on asking yourself, because when you are new to price action, they normally teach you that Head and Shoulders is like this. So it normally forms, then when it breaks to the neckline, wait for the retest, then when it comes to retest, then pushes up. But in reality, it does happen. It does also happen in reality. I won't lie to you guys, but this is like the other pattern that normally forms. So yes, so that's how it also forms again. So head, shoulder again, and yeah, it does also do this. So you'll be like expecting you'll be expecting the normal one that you learn when you are learning price action, but they do also form like this. They do this most of the times. But yeah, so as I was saying, guys, this is what I'm seeing right now, since we are at the resistance level. Let me also remove this. I was just kind of like showing you what I'm expecting. So what if it breaks, guys? Mind you, we don't move the market moves on its own. Okay, it doesn't move on its own, but it moves by banks, like world banks and stuff. So anything can happen, guys. It's not like we have same plans and stuff, because all what they do, those guys, the banks, they just move the price, guys. So it's up to them what they think of doing and stuff. So we have Head and Shoulders. So this is like resistance. It didn't retest when it broke and stuff. So if it breaks, guys, this is what I'm expecting. It has to break, come back, or if it doesn't come back, it's fine. But I doubt it. I doubt that it might not come back. So it might come back again, then push up, just following the structure. I don't know, but we just have to wait and see what happens. So what I'm expecting, this is daily time frame, right? We also have this zone which was also respected, and you can see this candlestick alone, it has like buying pressure, a lot of buying pressure, which also indicates that buyers are also willing to push the prices up. And moving to H4, we are also seeing the same thing. We have another pullback that needs to be completed, but the thing now is that we have a small M, and the price, or this candlestick, closed around the neckline of that M. So M, guys, to those who don't know how to trade M's, so whenever you're seeing when you're ever seeing a M formation being formed, we normally wait for a retest, then push down. So sometimes it might not be a clear retest, it might be a rejection. So price might push up to the neckline, then reject, push down. It's also a nice or clear entry. So your stop losses can be like above a bit, like a SL can be like above your M formation, or like the same what you call the same level where your peaks are. So it's very, very easy. I'm also gonna do a video showing you how to trade M's and stuff, but for now I'm just gonna, like, you know, focus on this analysis on this setup that I'm doing with you guys. So as you can see, we have a nice pullback and a nice retest, so which like indicates that, so far so good. We have like how many chances? Okay, on daily time frame we had we have a strong buying pressure. Then here we have a M and a retest on the, it's still retested on the daily time frame. It's just that it's just a rejection because it's a bigger time frame. So here it's just a clear retest. So let's move on. So what can happen here, right? Oh, we also on a major resistance area which was rejected, as you can see. So what I'm expecting when the market does this kind of things, it price can like range from this area, keep on ranging until it breaks up, or it can break up if it doesn't wanna sell. If it doesn't wanna buy, I mean, can break up just to entice traders, or like, you know, just to bring buyers in, then take them down to the area that I was talking about, push up again. So yeah, so that's what I'm looking at right now. Hopefully it does hopefully it does go up or sell, but I'm waiting. Either ways, I'm waiting for anything. So let's go to smaller time frames. Clear retest. As you can see, we have a small zone there that was retested nicely. Now the market, or the price, is pushing up. Now the thing is that price closed below our major resistance, which we don't know whether it's gonna break or push down. Mind you guys, news events might also be an impact. So if there's any news event taking place, it can also affect the market movements and all that kind of stuff. So if it happens that our setup is not respected, just bear in mind that also news events add up on, like, you know, when it comes to like market movements and all that, because, you know, the Fed, like everything, all those guys that move the market, and there's always something to, like, you know, that takes place on the Fed and all that. So new plans and all that kind of stuff. So I'm still waiting to see whether we drop, but I'm seeing more potential on that drop to create the right shoulder. So if I were to enter here, for example, right, I don't actually trade Mondays, but if I see good setups, I do trade Mondays. So if I were to like enter here, this will be my stop loss. Maybe I'll put it there, a bit above, a little bit above. First take profit, then second take profit will be, where is the price range? Second TP will be here. Then a third one will have to go to bigger time frames. Then a third one will be this one. You can also put that one. Third one, there is a third one. Then fourth one will be from here to this area, and hopefully the price would push up from there. So anything can happen, guys. Let me just move on to 4-hour time frame. So anything can happen. These are the things that I'm expecting, but yeah, I hope this helps you guys. I hope this helps you, and you also learn on how I trade. If you also want to learn a bit more about my moving average, I'll also do another video for that. I'm thinking of doing it today. Yes, so please like, subscribe, and comment. Oh, you can yes, also share, guys. Please also share. Yes, so another thing, guys, I don't charge for my courses for now. I don't charge for my courses because I'm still also building my I'm still building myself, you know, in terms of, you know, being able to trade, have a better what you call psychology in trading and stuff. Once all that gets better and stuff, then I'll start charging for my courses and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, there are a lot of things, guys. There are a lot of things there is that you can use to get entries. Trading is not actually hard, to be honest, guys. If you just analyze, then follow your plan. For example, what I've said here, right? The reason why I'm saying the market might drop, I gave you many things. So if I follow those things, and if I see that the market is moving into my favor and stuff, that's when I can take trades. I know most of you people, including myself, we do get this thing when you're trading, like to say, hey, what if I lose the account? What if the setup is what, guys? Just stick to your trading. Don't change your strategy because you are losing and stuff. Try to fix the problem with your strategy. Remember, guys, if your strategy doesn't make losses, that's not a strategy, guys. Every strategy has to have losses. I also make losses, guys. I don't know how many losses I made on gold. So like, you're not alone. Don't ever think that you are alone. So yeah, so you might continue pushing up. Anything can happen, but this is my point of view, and this is how I think, or how I see the market. So yeah, so don't trade what you think, trade what you see. That's another thing, guys. So don't say, hey, cause there's this formation, I think the market might drop. No, it's not like you think the market might drop. The market might drop or push up and take you out. It's not like every time when this pattern forms, it's gonna like always respect the pattern. It does take you out sometimes. Even with head and shoulders, they are not actually respected that much. So don't ever have that thing to say, maybe it's me or what. We all face same problems. You just have to deal with it your own way and stuff. So this is what I'm seeing here. We'll see from tomorrow what happens. Thanks, guys. See you next time.